Today we're going to be looking at the most efficient way to change a flat tire. In order to do this, you'll need a tire lever, a CO2 cartridge, and a nano inflator. The first thing you want to do is drop your chain down to the highest gear or smallest cog. The next step would be to make sure that the quick release is open on your rear brake. To remove the tire, you will use your tire lever, inserting in between the rim and the tire. With a pulling force, pull the tire lever around the perimeter of the wheel, removing the tire. Here you'll notice that one side of the tire is still intact on the rim, making it easier for you to put the tube in when it comes time. Starting with the valve stem, you're going to want to remove the old tube from the tire. At this point, you're going to want to inspect the inside of the tire for any glass or other debris. You're going to want to be careful during this process. A good habit to get into is matching the name of the tire up to the valve stem hole. Now it's time to put our new tube inside the tire. At this point, you're going to want to visually inspect to make sure that the tube is not impinged in between the tire and the rim. Using the palms of your hands, you're going to want to work the tire onto the rim. Nearing the end, it will become more difficult to get the tire onto the rim. You'll want to choke up on your hands to finish this. At this point, we take our CO2 cartridge, insert into our nano inflator, turning clockwise until it punctures. At this point, we're ready to inflate our new tube. Make sure your valve stem is open and use pressure from your palm of your hand down on the tire. At this point, you're going to want to inflate your new tube by turning the canister counterclockwise. Now it's time to reinstall our wheel. This is why it's important to make sure you're on the smallest cog in the back. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us here at Quadmultisport.